Namaskar. Welcome to Conversations with Rakesh. Here's today's question. Sir, I'm working in a good company since the last 3 years. I'm 25 years old. I have always wanted to do an MBA, but I don't want to leave this job. Is part-time MBA worth the effort? My dear friend, I must tell you that I am a big believer of part-time MBA and part-time education. I myself did a part-time MBA program from IIM Bangalore. I was working at Wipro and Intel at that time, and I was very clear that I did not want to go to a bank. I was very happy in computers, technology, the future of the world, and I was in very good job myself. So leaving the job and writing an amazing difficult exam जिसके लिए मेरे पास दिमाग नहीं है, ना patience है, ना इच्छा है. I found this part-time MBA to be perfect. It was a 3-year weekend part-time program called PGSM in those days. And I was lucky to be selected. I'm very grateful that I got a chance to enter that institute and study for 3 years. And I had the best time of my life in education because I was working at Intel. So every day and every part of the work at Intel, I would see business problems. And then I would come to the institute on Friday and Saturday and I would ask questions to the professors and my peer group and we would debate and I would learn so much. And then on the weekends, I would learn all these amazing concepts and come back to the office on Monday and start solving those problems. So my management started noticing me. I got promoted. I have been extremely benefited by that 3-year part-time MBA program, and I'm a very proud alumni of that program. That program is now a 2-year part-time MBA program, again on the weekends, called PGPEM. And I highly recommend that you should look out for institutes that offer part-time programs. There are many of them. Every good institute has some continued education on their offerings, and you have to search for it and talk to the people, and I'm sure there will be an option for you. Now, let me make sure I also address the hidden question that you're asking me. I think you're asking me that, sir, I have a full-time MBA option and I have a part-time MBA option. Are both equal? My answer is they can never be equal. And please don't confuse yourself. If your dream is to be an MBA to change your sector and take a fast track approach towards management career, then full-time career is a better option for you. You are young, you'll have to take a risk, write the exams, GMAT, CAT, whatever, take up a program which is very prestigious, spend the money, it's a very expensive program, and hope that when you pass, you get a good job and the loans are paid. That is a time tested model that will get stronger and stronger, and results show that the world needs professional managers and there is a demand for it. So you can get a very good career if you have all the right checks and balances and luck with you. The second part that I must tell you is that there are many people like me, and maybe you are one of them, who did not want to change our sectors. I was very happy at Intel and Qualcomm and technology, and I was merely very keen to learn. And I'm like this Funsuk Wanguru kind of a person of three idiots that पढ़ने के लिए डिग्री की जरूरत नहीं है, पढ़ने के लिए यूनिफॉर्म की जरूरत है. So I was very keen to learn. And I am Bangalore, had this 3-year part-time MBA. I'm like, who cares whether it is 2-year full-time, 3-year part-time? It's a classroom where I learn. So I went for that and I was in Bangalore. So I had to just drive and on the weekends and get my education. And Intel sponsored my education, full free. And I think it was the best decision of my life. And I still am a very big Jhanda alumni of that program. And there are so many institutes. The world's best institutes have part-time executive MBA programs. There are also 1-year full-time executive programs. So be very clear what you want to do. And there is enough evidence if you look at these institutes and their alumni that the people who come for part-time MBA programs are very clear that they want to continue in their sectors and become stronger managers and leaders. And they are very hidden. You may not find them in so popular categories that you see in other MBA programs. So you may have to compromise, but I can tell you that I know many people in my peer group who did part-time MBA programs and are doing really well. In my batch, there are many CXO level people. Two of my batchmates left the industry they were in and have become full-time academicians. I am like one confused fellow on my own, doing all kinds of stuff. Majority of our class is pretty much in the same sector that they were before the program, and they're very happy with that. They have become stronger, more successful managers, and they are on a path towards greater heights. So coming back to the question that you have asked me, is part-time MBA worth it? My answer is yes, but only when you are very clear in your mind. If your approach is कि ये पतली गली से backdoor entry करके हम घुस जाएंगे, I think you'll be disappointed because बहुत students ऐसा ही करते हैं. They have aspirations of a full-time MBA track career, but don't want to put the effort of writing exams and don't want to take risks. And they do this do number ka backdoor entry kind of a stuff, and they come inside the institute and they get very disappointed because many of these part-time MBA programs do not have placement services from the institute, and they should not because the industry is supporting the whole continued education effort. So I believe that if you are very comfortable and enjoying your job, but have an aspiration to learn and can give the time and rigor to learn, because these programs are very intense. They are also there are assignments, there are group discussions, so you network very well. So it takes time and energy. So please make sure that you give that kind of rigor. But it's an amazing world out there. In my batch, there were people running companies, and I would sit and learn from them. I met alumni and professors who were doing all kinds of stuff. It opens a whole vista of life for you. But you have to be clear that a backdoor entry and getting into a bank and all these big consulting companies, that may not happen. So recalibrate your entire thought processes. I highly encourage that you look at part-time MBA programs. Today, thanks to online education, you can now study anywhere in the world and take any degree you want. There are very good companies like Upgrad. Upgrad I worked with because I offer my program with them, and they offer lots of part-time programs for people like you. They also provide certificate programs. There's another company called Simply Learn. There are so many companies who are run by friends of mine, and they're doing so well. This is the best time to work and study and do whatever you want at the same time because it's possible. And you need to understand this escalator and staircase approach. The part-time MBA programs are staircases. They take time. But if you want a fast track, then I think you need to go for the full-time program. It's debatable. But on the long run, after 10 years, the world doesn't care. Nobody's going to ask you whether you're a full-time or a part-time. I think what people look out for is your capability, your entire personality. The recruiting world is not stupid. Nobody's going to give you a job just because you have done a full-time MBA program. And nobody's going to reject you because you've done a part-time MBA program. The marketplace is clear. If you bring the right skills, if you have the right confidence, nobody will stop you. Now, just because you have a degree doesn't mean anything. So think of part-time education as a long-term investment to learn, to expand your horizons, and have a better approach to learning. Part-time MBA programs and part-time education programs are also continued education programs. I though went one step further. I did a part-time PhD also. And many people, my professors and my friends, were appalled that Rakesh, part-time doesn't have rigor. And these are the people who I call dinosaurs. I think rigor is a very self-created definition. I enjoyed my PhD program. My guides helped me. I learned a lot and I'm applying a lot. To me, that is important. Did I want a tenured professorship? No. So I'm very clear with my agenda of education. you need to be very clear with your agenda. So if your connection is to learn, stay in the industry, enjoy your job, and study from a great institute, go for part-time MBA programs or any part-time education. Learning is always a good investment. Learning will always give you a lot of returns, but you need to be patient. Quick returns, not everybody gets. But if you are very keen on learning, Saraswati, knowledge, I think this is a great step, and the online world is just there for you to click what you want and enjoy this phase.